Afternoon, everybody. Here's part 2 of my video, and we're looking at the Shay coming out of the tunnel. This is one of the original Bachmann Shays. Probably had 25 years. This is the first run. But I did replace the trucks a couple years ago with the metal trucks. Plastic ones disintegrated. Letter for the Salt Lick and Eastern Railroad, the fictional railroad based on the Licking River Railroad, ran in Eastern Kentucky, abandoned around 1915 or so. The entire thing is covered up by Cave Run Lake now. They had a big sawmill in Yale, Kentucky. Interchange with the C&O and Salt Lick. The Salt Lick is still there, but there's no evidence that the railroad ever existed. Either one, pretty much. The C&O has been gone for 30 years. While we're here, look what I did to the town. I got some exterior plywood. I painted it gray. Actually cut some expansion joints in there, if you can see them. Hard to see. But the plywood did warp a little bit. So I still think it looks better than the building sitting on mulch. I'm going to try to figure out a way to get the plywood to sit down a little bit. And see, the school didn't do it, or the church didn't do it, but the big buildings did. So maybe I can set them on some concrete blocks on them, try to flatten them out. I can't really glue them down because this is tar paper. It'll just pull the tar paper up. The Shay has Phoenix sound system in it that I put in years ago. You just might have just heard the whistle in the background. This is running off track power. I have the power supply inside. I have one set of feeders for this entire layout. It's been going 3 years. Done pretty well, but still I prefer the battery power where you can actually control the bell and the whistle and all that. So eventually that boxcar is going to be a battery car. I can pull behind either my Shay or my Climax, whichever one I want to run at the time. You can see I've got a few other cars here. The original plan for this railroad was where the modern sawmill was to be a big old wood sawmill, and that was going to be the log pond. I was going to have this track right here come straight to town, wouldn't exist, and it was going to go to where the yard is, and there'd be a switchback, and the switchback would come back and cross over the main line to go up to the upper loop, which may not have been that high at the time, and then the logging camp would be up there. I may still do that someday. I may get rid of my standard gauge stuff and just go back and model narrow gauge logging in Eastern Kentucky. It depends what my interests are. Right now I'm really enjoying the standard gauge, so I just run the Shay occasionally. Coming back around again. When you hear the whistle, it's because there's a voltage drop. We have one spot that's farthest away from the feeders. So I'll walk around there and we'll see if we can hear the whistle before I turn it off and go to the next train. It doesn't do it every time, but if it does it right here, because it's about the farthest away from the feeders. I do have split jaw rail clamps on everything, which helps a lot. But with battery power, you don't need it. Alright, as it disappears under the coal mine, let's end here and we'll go to the next train. Train World had their Climaxes on sale for $199. I just had to get one just for in the future, so all I've done to this is basically decal it. I haven't done any weathering, anything else. I haven't done any details. Probably has about, before today, maybe 10 minutes of run time. I will eventually detail it up. And I said I'm going to try to have a battery car where I can deliver the battery power and have a Phoenix sound system in it, but can't do everything at once. Can't afford everything, so that's for a future project. I was going to run it forward. When I sat on the track, the back upper fell off. I really am not happy with what Bachmann did with their couplers on this new version. Really don't like it at all. I cannot figure out a way to convert it to KDs like I did in the other, so basically I'm forced with this huge Bachmann couple. And don't like it, but I'll figure something out. So one more train to show you. So as soon as it comes out of the tunnel, stop this and we will put the other train on. Here's the train I'm the most proud of. Everything on this train I have painted and reworked. First of all, we've got the GP9 NW Michael Vicky decals. Made it look like it was an old sun-faded engine. Did a lot of work on it. Then we've got our maintenance way train, my USA Trains train, which I've been fighting with all day to get it to swivel because I have the boom car. It keeps the boom in place. So this is all my NW maintenance way train. So get one more shot of it and then we'll call it a wrap for the video. So hope you've enjoyed this. I've really enjoyed running trains this weekend. The weather has just been fantastic and got a lot done. My wife's been outside planting. You can see I've been spreading some mulch, so I have a little bit more to go. It's really been a great weekend to be outside. So again, here comes the train. I am going to convert it to battery power sometime with the Phoenix sound system. Right now it's running on track power. It's an Aristocrat gondola and the USA Trains crane, and that is actually the work car that I took the cabin off of and scratch built the boom guide. I don't know what you call that. But it works. It's keeping the crane in line. It's letting it swivel through the curves. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. Everybody stay safe. Have any comments, let me know. Appreciate any feedback. Later.